let's go into dining room. We have an open layout today.
Okay.
So this is another friend.
It's a very tiny dining room. You're not very popular and only one person likes you.
You're alone.
Yes.
This is definitely a 70s palette again, and we're getting into the velvets. They are going to be everywhere. You see them on decorative pillows. They're not just for winter. They're all year long. Velvets,
I kind of like the
furs.
burned out ones too. You can buy them kind of half burned out. They look kind of used.
They're a little bit worn and
a
vintagey. So I think I've recovered this chair on your show like 20 times.
I was going to say, this chair, which we got outside some pizzeria for free in the street 7 years ago, she has recovered 77 times.
I think I painted it. Okay, so this is just, you want to do some stapling? I know you do.
Oh, sure.
Yeah, get in there.
Yeah.
So this is a really easy way for $20 a yard, and this is something millennials need to learn about how to buy fabric to reupholster and make window treatments. It's such an affordable way to update your house. So bringing in these olive velvets, staple them on the chair, and all of a sudden you have a chair. Whoop, that's not on there. That's why I keep redoing it.
If you have that. I don't need to do this. Look, make it look